Good morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
How are you?
morning, ma'am.
Fine?
Morning, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we are going to do multiplication, more problems. Okay, today we
Yes,
will
ma'am.
do with only one digit multiplication, one digit multiplication. And all the children, please try to do the multiplications tables daily. Then we will do the problems. We can do problems faster without mistakes. So to next day only we will start with the 2 digits, 2 digit multiplier. So Niranjana, please unmute and speak. 4 into 3. 4 into 3.
4 into 3 is
Lionel can say.
Wait. 4 into 3.
Ma'am, Farhan can say.
Lionel can say.
I can say.
This
Ma'am,
table
Lionel
3
can
that
say.
I told you study when
Ma'am,
4 and all.
Ma'am, can I say Lionel can
Okay,
say?
Leonel. 4 into 3.
12.
12. See, easy tables also, if you do, I told you clearly, that's why I'm saying it daily. If you don't know the tables, multiplication will be very difficult. Al-Saba, 9 into 8. All others, please mute. 9 into 8. Unmute and speak.
72.
Very good, 72. Wazim, 5 into 4. 5 into 4.
20.
5 into 4, 20. Very good.
20.
Christo, 9 into 6.
9 into 6, 54.
54. Very good. So children, when you say the answers, no, you have to think, okay, it will be correct. Like how we can check, like table 2, that is will be only even numbers like 2, 6, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, like that. And in table of 5, we have the last digit always 5 or 0. 5 or 0. And table of 10, the last digit will be always 0. And table 9, I have said all clearly before how we have that. We can use the short methods. So
Yes, ma'am.
all things, when you say, okay, in the table of 2, there will not be any odd number. Like that, you have to find out your easy method and practice this daily. Ashwin, 7 into 7.
10 into 7. Morning. Morning.
7 into 7. Yes, Jibichan. Jibichan.
49.
49. 7 into 7 is 49. Akshid, 6 into 4. 6 into 4.
24.
From the tables. Where are you looking? Show me. Any book is there? Okay. Ryan, 7 into 6. 7 into 6. Huh? 7 into 6. Huh?
Ma'am, Farhan.
Yes, Farhan. 7 into 6.
Ma'am,
Yes?
Farhan can say the answer.
Say the answer. Yes. 7 into 6.
Ma'am, can I say?
Okay, Niranjana. Last time you didn't get no. 7 into 6.
42.
42. Okay, 7 into 6, 42. Children, please try to learn the tables daily. Otherwise, it will be very difficult. Okay. So, children, now we will do some questions on the board. First 2 questions I will explain again. Last year you have learned, but maybe some children, they forgot how to do. So 2 questions I will do on the board. Other 2 questions you have to do in your rough book. After that, we will practice 2 more questions. Yes, Catherine, good morning. 2 more questions in our workbook. So what you have to do now, please listen on the board. Okay.
I can't see the board.
I'm going to share. I didn't share now. I am going to share the board. Okay, children, can you see the board?
No, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So question number 1,
Yes, ma'am.
39. All the children, no need to do anything now. I'm going to start with smaller numbers. So you will understand faster. So here we have 2 digit multiplied with 1 digit. Now 39 multiplied by 2. So what is 9 into 2, Ameya? Ameya, 9 into 2. 9 twos are 18. 9 twos are 18. Children, look here. 18. From here, the ones place we will write it here, and the tens place we will carry. Regroup. 9 twos are 18. 8 here. 1 carry over. Don't forget to add that carry over. Yes, Mekha. 3 twos are
6.
6. Already somebody said. 3 twos are 6 plus 1. 7. 6 plus 1. You have to add the
78.
carryover. So the answer is 78. Now I will give you one 3-digit number with 1 digit. 256 multiplied by 3. Okay. Now, we always start from the ones place. Leonel, can you tell me what is 6 3?
18.
6 3s are 6 3.
18.
18. So from here 18, 8 we will write here. 1 carry over. Okay, 5 3s are
25.
15. Nived.
15.
5 3s are
15.
15 plus 1, 16.
16.
1 carry over. Okay. 3 2s are
6.
6 plus 1.
7.
So you remember how to do this multiplication, children?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
We will start from the ones place and check if there is any carryover. You have to regroup. Okay. Question number 3 and 4 you are going to do now alone in your rough book. All of you please take your rough book. Question number 3. 589 multiplied by 4. Take your rough book. Do this question alone. $875 multiplied by 5. Question number 3 and 4 alone. Yes, Amaya, start. Have you written the questions, children? Have you written the question?
No, ma'am.
Okay, first write these 2 questions.
Ma'am, I didn't start.
Right. Just write the question. Then I will stop sharing the screen. I want to see whether are you doing alone. Question number 3. 589 multiplied by 4. 589 multiplied by 4. Question number 4. 875 multiplied by 5. Write it.
No, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I was doing Ma'am, I didn't.
Devadatta joined late. No. So what do you have to do?
Ma'am, I
Question number
also
3 and
didn't.
4. Write in your rough book and
ടീച്ചർ പറയുന്നത് ഇവിടെ എഴുത്.
Parthasarathi, please unmute. Parthasarathi, unmute. We will do together. Okay. 9 into 4. What is 9 into 4? 9 into 4.
36.
9 into 4?
36.
36. So you'll write here 6. 3 is carry over. Okay. Now, what is 8 into 4? 8 into 4?
22.
Huh?
32.
32. Then add the carry over. 32 plus 3? 35. Again, we have to add the carry over. 3. 5 into 4. What is 5 into 4?
20.
20 plus 3? 23. Children, please check whether you got correct answer. 2356. Question number 3. All the children, please check whether you got correct answer. How many got correct answer? Can you raise your hand? Okay, children, if you know the multiplication table only, we will be able to do these questions faster. I am repeating this daily. Daily, children, you have to practice multiplication 5 to 10 minutes. And please ask your parents or brother or sister, ask you questions. Table of 3 and 4 together one day, 5 and 6 one day, like that. Please tell your parents to help you to check whether you remember the tables. Okay, children? Okay, now next question, question number 4. Adnan, Mohammed Adnan, please unmute. We are going to do now question number. Yes. Adnan, ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 5 into 5. What is 5 into 5?
25.
25. So we will write here 5. 2 is carry over. And what is 5 into 7?
5 into 7. 30.
35.
35.
35 plus 2, 37. 3 is carry over. 8 into 5.
8 into 5. 45.
40. 40 plus 3, 43. So the answer is 4,375. 4,375. Okay. Now tell me how many children got correct answer these two questions. How many got question number 3 and 4 correct? Yes?
Ma'am, I was 3 wrong.
Huh?
My was 3 wrong.
Wrong. What happened? Yes, Devdutt? Because of the multiplication. Check, please check again. Some children, they have not finished. Please check it again. Question number 3, we have 2,356. And question number 4, we have 4,375.
Am I correct?
Correct. Okay. So children, now
correct?
we have your parents or brothers or sister. You can tell them like a game you can play. Who is going to win first? Who is going to say? If you have big brother or sister like that, children, what do you have to do? Practice daily and ask your parents. We will play one game like the multiplication table game. Yes? So you have now enough time. You are always at your home. You have many games. In that game, you can include multiplication game also. So try to study this. Okay, children? Then only we can do our multiplication faster. Okay. So please take page number 40 from your workbook. Page number 40.
40.
40. Who can tell me which questions we have completed in our last class? Till which question?
12.
12. Okay. 12. So we have completed 12 questions. Now we are going to do question number 13 and 14 now. Can we do?
Yes.
Yes. Fast, fast. Children, please take. Okay. Question number 13. What's the question? 5043. 5043. That is 5043 multiplied by 7. Children, I'll give you 2 minutes. Do it fast. You can do with your pencil. Then if any mistake, you can make it correct. Try to do alone, all of you. Question number 13 from your workbook. Yes, Adnan? What's the problem? Huh? Unmute and speak, Adnan. Huh? Don't have workbook?
Already finished.
Finished. Very good, very good. Okay, so children, going to share this now. So, Amal, can you please unmute Amal? Yes, Amal? Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, tell me 7 into 3. What is 7 into 3? 7 into 3? Huh? 7 times 3.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Ivana? 7 times 3?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yes.
Ma'am, 15.
7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 3 is 21.
21.
You have to write the ones place here 1 and these 2 you have to write carry over.
Okay, ma'am.
Children, without studying table 3 also, how we can do this multiplication? Yes, Alsaba, please continue. 7 times 3 is unmute. Yes. 7 into 3 is 21. 1 is here, 2 is here. 2. Now, 7 into 4. What is 7 into 4?
7 into 4, 28.
28 plus 2, 30. And 3 is carry over. What is 7 into 0?
0.
0 plus 3 is 3. What about 5 into 7? 5 into 7?
5 into 7, 35.
35.
5.
So 35,301. So 7 3s are 21. 2 is carry over. What is 4 into 7? 28 plus 2. You have to add the carry over 30. Then 3 is carry over. 7 into 0 is 0 plus 3 is 3. 5 into 7 is 35. So the answer is 35,301. How many got correct answer? Yes? Okay. I can see. Only raise the hand. Okay, Ashwin. I can see that. Now, question number 14. All of you please start. Question number 14, 1-4. Start from ones place. Don't forget to add the carry over.
1. 5.
Yes, Daksh, finished? Yes, Daksh?
Yes, ma'am.
Completed. Very good. Okay. Okay, so children, we will check here question number 14. Two six eight one multiplied by 5. Okay, Daksh, please unmute. What is 5 into 1? 5 into 1. 5. Very good. 5 into 1 is 5. Now 8 into 5. 8 into 5. 8 into 5. Christo, what is 8 into 5? Unmute and speak.
Yes, ma'am.
8 into 5.
8 into 5. 40. 40.
40. So here 4, then 4 carry over. 6 into 5.
6 into 5. 30.
30 plus 4, 34. Carry over is 3. 5 twos are 5 into 2. 5 twos are 10 plus 3, 13. So children, the answer is 13,405. So the answer is 13405. Here 5 in 1, 2, 6, 8, 1 multiplied by 5. So the answer is 13405. So the answer, how we will read? 13,405. 13,405. Okay, how many got correct answer? Yes, children, easy or difficult? Is this difficult or easy? Easy. If you don't know the multiplication, if you don't know the multiplication table, it will be difficult.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes, Megha.
I got the problem in 5, 6. 5, 6 are. I got the problem there.
Which question?
5, 6.
5, 6. 5 into 6, 30 plus.
5 into 6.
Okay. Please check again. Okay, children, please check. I will show you that board again. Please check where you made mistake. Okay. 5 into 6 is 30. Again, you have to add the carryover. 30 plus 4, 34. Okay. Okay, I will explain this 5 again. 5 into 1. 5 into 1 is 5. Now we will do the tens place. 8 into 5, 40. We will write 0 here. 4 carry over. Okay. Now we will do with the 100 place. 6 into 5 is 30. 30 plus 4, 34. 3 carry over. 5 twos are 10 plus 3, 13. Did you get Megha now? 13,405. So children, I will give you 2 more questions. Today we will do only with 1 digit. And I want all my children to study the tables daily and practice these 1 digit questions today. Tomorrow, next class, we will do with 2 digit and 3 digit. Then it will be difficult for you if you don't know the multiplication tables. So write next questions. Kashinath and Catherine and all, you can speak me. No need of chat. Chatting is not allowed. Okay, next question. Question number, we have done before in the rough book. 4 questions. Now question number 5. Write in your rough book, not in the workbook. Workbook we will do only 13 and 14 today. And we are going to do more practice with the 1 digit. Question number 6. (2,347) multiplied by 8. Okay. So children, write these 2 questions. Try to do these two questions. First write the question, then we'll do the answers. Akshit, please unmute Akshit. We'll do question number 5 now together. 6 into 9. What is 6 into 9?
54.
54. Very good. Here 54. From this 54, we will write 4 only here. This tens place you have to carry. Okay. 9 into 0?
0.
0 plus 5?
5.
5. 0 plus 5 is 5. Okay. 9 into 3?
27.
Yes. 27. 9 into 3 is 27. 7 we will write here. Then carry over is 2. 9 into 1? 9. 9 plus 2? 11. Children, please check whether you got correct answer. 11,754. The answer is 11,754. Did you get the, are you doing alone, children? Are you doing alone? And check whether you got correct answer. How many got correct answer for question number 5?
I got correct answer.
How many got correct answer?
Ma'am, what is that second question?
Second question I will show you again. Now tell me whether this question number 5, did you get correct answer? 11,754. Check again from the board.
Ma'am, 11754.
11754. Correct answer.
11754, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Now do the next question. Question number 6. Question number 6.
Ma'am.
Did you write the question?
No, ma'am.
No?
No, ma'am.
Do these questions alone.
Okay.
2, 3, 4, 7. 2, 3, 4, 7 multiplied by 8. Gurujit, please unmute. Gurujit. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
7 into 8. What is 7 into 8?
7 into 8. 56.
56. We will write here 6. 5 carry over. Okay. 4 into 8.
4 into 8 is equal to 32.
4 into 8. It's 32. 8 4s are 32 plus 5. 37. 7 is carry over again. What is 8 into 3?
8 into 3.
8 into 3.
24.
24 plus 3 is 27. 2 is carry over again. 8 2s are
16.
8 into 2. 16 plus 2. The answer is 18. So 18,776. So first we'll start with 8 into 7. What is 8 into 7? 8 into 7 is 56. 5 is carry over. 8 4s are 32 plus 5, 37. 3 is carry over. 8 3s are 24 plus 3, 27. 2 is carry over. Again, 8 2s are 16 plus 2, 18. So the answer is 18,776. Okay, children, did you get the answer? Yes? How many got correct answer? Can you raise your hand?
Ma'am, I got.
Ma'am, I got.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I got 187.
Okay, so can I give you one homework now?
Yes.
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 Yes?
Yes,
Only
ma'am.
one. Okay, okay. Only one question I will give you homework. Now, question number here. 1324 multiplied by 6. 1324 multiplied by 6. Write the question in your rough book. Yes. Have you written the question? 1324 multiplied by 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. So we will wind up the session now. And what I told you, which game you have to play?
Multiplication.
Multiplication game. You can play with your cousins or yes. Answer. That is a homework now. That you can do as homework. Okay, you can play this game with your parents or sisters or brothers or cousins and try to study these tables, all the tables. Okay, children? Yes,
Okay, ma'am.
Ansaba?
I play with my cousins.
Cousin. Okay. Very good. That's why you are getting the tables faster. Yes? Okay. All the children, okay, this is a new game for you. All are sitting at home. So try to play the game and check who is going to be faster. Who is getting faster. Okay, children, bye. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.